Okay, on the fourth video of this lab, I misspoke last time. I said the third lab, but it's actually the same lab, just a different video. For the fourth video, what we're going to do is we're going to punch through that shape, and then we might try to get those holes in there. So the first thing we need to do is create a sketch. We don't have to create a plane. We can just create a sketch. It's on plane. It's going to be on an existing plane. So we'll select the plane. It's right here. Then the orientation is horizontal. We'll select the reference. I'm going to rotate that around a little bit. I want that reference right there. Oops, right there. Select the orientation or the origin, and we'll pick this endpoint. And then I'm going to double click this x-axis to flip that. And you can see the orientation there. This is the axis. And we'll hit OK. Comes in, does its thing there. Rotate this around. So we'll put in a rectangle. Snaps to that line. Come over, snap another point. Then we're just going to go ahead and create a circle. We'll go along this line here. Okay, and now that should be the midpoint right there. And we'll go out to here. It is tangent. Right click and hit OK. And then we want to trim. So to trim now, what we're going to do is we're going to fly this whole thing out, and you can do that on this button. You can actually go down through the different picks here with that. But this one will fly the whole thing out, and you can see edit curve. You've got chamfer, fillet, trim, quick trim, and you've got quick extend. Okay, and you've got make a corner. It extends or trims. It's kind of like their fillet radius 0, or is. Okay, so I'm going to quick trim. And notice you can select the curves. Okay, and I'm just going to go in there and pick that. It'll go away. Then I'm just going to go in there and pick this and delete it. So I've got my shape set up there. Note too, if I move this arc. Whoops, originally that thing did come together, so I need to constrain that. And those are right up along the top here. I do believe we should have a tangent constraint somewhere. Let's see. I don't see it right off the top of my head. Let's see. Somewhere in there should be a tangent, but I'm not seeing it. Let's see if we right click. Oh, here we go. Let's see. I'm not seeing it. Don't see it at all. Let's see. Let's right click. Yeah, I gotta find that. So I'll hover over and make sure. There are your different ones, but nothing there showing up that constraint. So let's see, what do I want to do here? And I don't see it here. I thought I could pop that up there. Let's see what happens if I go here. There's my constraints. Let's see. Notice we've got some up here. Those are dimensioning. I really don't know that I want to auto constraint. Oh, what the heck? Let's try it. We got that and this. Then we want them to be tangent. Oh, it didn't make it, did it? Oh, let's see. Well, that be in here. Let's see it. Let's geometric constraint. kind of screwed that up. I just want to select one of those, don't I? So let's try that again. So I'm going to pick one, go down here and pick the other, but I want those to be tangent. Now, looks like I might have to undo that. Let's try it again. Geometric constraint, tangent, this and that. Oh, crap. Hold the shift key, get rid of that one, come to this one, pick that, there we go, and it came up tangent. So that takes care of that now. So that thing, when it moves, it's going to move all together. Let's see, so we need to go ahead and dimension this, sorry about that. This dimension right here, we said that's 0.625 radius. And then dimensioning from this edge to the center, was it? Well, that'd be 1.75, wouldn't it? Okay, and then from this edge to the center, 1 inch. And it says it needs 2 more dimensions. So let's see, what else do we need there? Well, all we have to do is start grabbing things and see what moves. I don't see anything that's going to move. Those are both perpendicular. Oh, I think that was it. Note, there is a line there that needs to be trimmed out. Kind of small, but gotta trim that. Quick trim, we'll get this one here. Got too much, didn't we? Undo that. I don't think we got that situation there. See, that shouldn't do that. Oh, okay, there we go. Because this one needs to come up too. So now we can do we'll have to extend that one. So let's do a quick extend. Grab that one. We'll do a quick trim. Grab this one. And it's fully constrained now. And we'll finish the sketch. Get that around so we can see what's going on there. We'll do an extrude. Pick the edge. Oh, we didn't get the edge. Sorry. Let's try it again. I want to sketch there. Nothing to sketch. Okay, so we got this sketch 12 here. We want to extrude. No, I already got it picked. Now the only thing I don't like about that is it, let's do a subtract and flip it. Okay. And we'll go, we don't want a value there necessarily, do we? We want to go through all. How about that? Looks pretty funky, doesn't it? Let's go unto next. Or you could have gone unto a selected for that matter, but unto next is fine. Hit OK, and that takes care of that. That just looks small. Let's go back and look at that radius, because that radius, it says is 0.625. I'm a little bit concerned that I didn't get that correct, so let's look at that. It is 0.625. It just doesn't look quite right, does it? and 1 inch. I don't see it. Why it just doesn't look proportional. Let's see. The only other thing I can think of is let's go hide that sketch there. Is this 3.5? Right? It should be. I mean, if we do a calculation on that, 1.75 times times 2 is 3.5, and this original here is 3.5, I do believe. Let's see, this extrusion is number 11, so it's this sketch. So let's edit that. Well, we can't go back there, I guess. Really, we have to go all the way back to the original sketch here, our original sketch. This one, edit that, and there it is, 3.5. I don't know why that looks so crazy. Really don't. That's just 0.625, unless that number there's wrong, but I don't believe it is. Well, we're going with it for now. We gotta get that sketch to hide. Okay, so that's we'll stop this one there, and we'll punch the holes in next.